Hey, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Eves once here again. As you know, the weather is getting colder, so we need to protect our skin. In this video, I am going to show you how I mix up my winter cream. Without wasting time, let's just get started. Here, I've got some cocoa butter and some shea butter. They are both 100 grams each. I'll just put them in a pan and melt it up on very low fire. I'm also going to be needing some niacinamide powder from The Ordinary. I'll also be using some vitamin C powder. I've got here some licorice root extract. And my favorite lotion here, I'm using the Nivea Aloe Hydration Lotion. I've got my Indian oil over here. This is mango and citrus oil. I'll get a bowl and come in with some of my Nivea lotion. I'll come in with about 6 grams of my niacinamide powder. Now I'll come in with 1.5 grams of vitamin C powder. And I will give it a good mix. I'll set it aside for later. Now I'll get a big bowl and come in with my melted butters. I'll drop in 15 ml of my licorice root extract and pump in a little bit of my citrus and mango oil. Now I'll come in with my Nivea lotion. This is 200 grams. With the help of my mixer, I'll whip everything up. Now I'll pour in my mixture of the niacinamide, vitamin C, and the Nivea lotion. Then I'll give it the final mix. So this is what we have here. I'll just pour it into my container. And my summer skin cream is ready. Now I must say, in this recipe, measurement is very important, so I will leave all the measurements in the description box. You can check it out. If you do not follow the measurement, this can irritate your skin and you don't want that. This skin cream over here spreads so easily. It smells good and is very great during the winter. It's not going to dry out your skin. It's going to help you achieve an even tone. With the combination of niacinamide and vitamin C, it will help get rid of suntan, acne marks, acne spots. It will give you a brighter, even complexion in general. And this is all you need for your cold season. Okay guys, I hope I did help you, and I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to leave me a big fat thumbs up, and don't forget to share this with family and friends. Until next time, I am going to see you with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.